I have a bit of a problem. Yeah, I have a hard time getting up in the morning. The reason this is such a big problem is because it's my job to walk the dog in the morning, but to walk the dog in the morning, you have to be up in the morning. It's getting so bad that I feel the need to torture myself to get up in the morning. So here's my plan. I'm gonna buy an alarm clock and I'm gonna buy a shock collar. I'm gonna take the remote for the shock collar and connect it to the alarm clock. That way when the alarm clock goes off, it shocks me. All right, so the parts are ordered. So now I guess we just have to wait. What the heck? What the heck? Who delivered this? What? This driver needs fired. Jeez. Why do they always deliver stuff like this? Alright, so now that the parts are here, I guess I should test the shock collar, make sure it works. But wait, I gotta do one thing first.
Nice.
Only once.
Okay.
Okay? You promise?
Yeah, I promise.
You ready? Ah! Jeez, stop! Ow! That hurt. What level was that?
It's only 20.
It was only 20?
It's only 20.
Well, the shock collar works. So I guess now I just need to take apart the alarm clock and figure out how to connect it to the remote. So the camera randomly ran out of battery, so I lost the footage of me putting this together. But basically what I did was I just messed with this remote, and I messed with the buttons here and figured out that this contact here, if I connect it to the ground, it makes the shocking thing go off. So then I connected the grounds of the remote and the clock here. And then it worked. I don't really know why. I don't really know what I'm doing. Just mess with it until it works. So I've got the thing on my leg and the clock here set to 7:15. So I guess I'll see you guys in the morning.
It's pretty difficult to put into words how disgusted I am, how depressed I am.
I may have accidentally set the time to AM when it was really PM. So I have the collar back on my leg again and have the alarm set up again, this time with the time set correctly. So I guess, good night. I'll see you guys in the morning again.
Oh, that does. Guess I better go walk the dog.
Well, I guess that's mission accomplished. I got shocked, dog got walked, so subscribe, trying to hit 1,000. Adios.